now and then, we see influencers launching or promoting their skincare or makeup line. Recently, we have seen Trisha Paytas come up with a new skincare line, and their announcement of the Trisha Paytas Miracle Elixir left everyone in shock and astonishment. Trisha Paytas, whose full name is Trisha K. Paytas, is an American YouTuber and singer. Trisha's primary YouTube channel is BLND Sundoll 4MJ, which has a subscriber of over 5 million, where they generally post their mukbangs, lifestyle-oriented vlogs, and music videos. Plus, they have 6.4 million fans on their Trish Like Fish 88 account of TikTok. But most of you may know them for constant controversies and dramas with other TikTokers and YouTubers like Jeffree Star. You may also wonder why we are using the pronoun they or them. It's because Trisha is a non-binary person. Moving back to their skincare line, you can assume Trisha had no past history as a skincare or makeup enthusiast or anything related to the beauty world. So when on Monday, June 8, they posted a video named Trish Skincare Commercial 1 on their primary YouTube channel, many viewers thought it was a parody video. Some viewers also related it to previous TV commercials. But when the viewers visited the website, they realized it was not a parody. Trish launched their skincare line in collaboration with Charlotte Wilson, who is a founder and owner of a skincare business called Glow Skin Enhancement. Now, several things made the viewers and skin experts backlash the commercial and create concern about the quality and safety of the skincare line. Trish, in their promotional video, said that the products from their skincare elixir line changed their life, and also they claimed that if you use their elixir collection, you do not need to hide behind heavy makeup or filters. They said all these while they used heavy makeup, visible blurring filters, and post-production editing as well. Trisha also claimed that the line would clear acne. Now, acne is something that Trish had issues with and had previous videos about their acne. However, the viewers pointed out that Trisha's clear skin is because of their recent chemical peels and not the products. And their claim of products clearing their skin is a false advertisement. Moreover, Trisha is seen whisking the ingredients in the cake batter mixing bowl, wearing no masks or hairnet. Now, these made many skin experts cringe, and many thought it was just a parody or show until the recent controversies hit online again. Now, let's see what is on their Elixir collection set. So they launched 7 products in their Miracle Elixir set, and the entire collection costs around $199. If we look at the ingredient list, some of the products like the Miracle Elixir Morning Face Nutrients, contradictions arise. Trish said on their website that the products were cruelty-free, but these products have 2 types of collagen which they didn't make clear of whether it is animal or plant collagen. Then comes the Miracle Elixir Tinted Day Cream with SPF 30. The main concern is with the ingredient list of this product. They were all just chemicals. And skin experts and influencers said that their skin line didn't reveal all the ingredients as there was no binding agent. It was like you baked a cake and said that all the ingredients of the cake were just flour and sugar. The more concerning matter was any chemical sunscreen would give a white cast even for just 1 minute if it has SPF. But these had just a sheer finish, which led a famous skincare enthusiast, James Welch, to do a further test in his phone. Using a phone which detects SPF, he said if the product had SPF, then the skin would show dark because of the protection provided by the product, which obviously it didn't show, so it was clear that the product had no SPF in it. Now let's talk about the Renew Night Eye Cream. Probably it was the cream that she was whisking in the commercial. However, this one is small in size and would run off too quickly if used regularly rather than the Glow Night Cream. And regarding the Hydrate Glow Night Cream, the consumers realized that this night cream came in a weird texture, and apart from that, there were not many complaints. Rest of the products of their skincare line also faced criticism for an incomplete ingredient list. Plus, there was concern about the fragrance, which consumers said was weird and not pleasing. However, one specific customer, Sarah Strokine, came on TikTok on August 11 and showed her irritation around the nose, which she said was a result of using Miracle Elixir products. Sarah, by her several videos, tried to capture the attention of Trisha and resolve the issue, but there was no response. Later, she said through a tweet that she would sue Trisha for the damage and medical costs. Now, on 21st August, Trisha shared a screen recording on their Twitter and said that Sarah couldn't prove the purchase or order number. Trisha accused Sarah of defamation and demanded her to draw back the statements. And since then, Sarah has made her Twitter account private. One popular YouTuber and skincare expert also pointed out that the owner of Glow Skin Enhancements, Charlotte Wilsons, admitted that she is not a doctor, esthetician, or dermatologist in one of her videos on her YouTube channel.
This waiver here is, I'm not a doctor, I'm not an esthetician, I'm not a dermatologist, but I do have a gift. I have a gift of skin. So we both agreeing that you'll allow me to share my gift with you, and by signing, printing, and putting today's date, that's our agreement.
This leads the YouTuber to question the safety and the ethics of beauty treatments and products. It was discovered on September 16th that the link to purchase is no longer available on the Glow Skin Enhancement website. Instead, if you press, you will see that the link goes to the page 404, not found. Now that could be the end of Trisha's skincare line. Or they might relaunch their skincare line with more hygiene and certified products. But as it goes, we can only assume, as there was still no disclosure from them. And that was all about Trisha Paytas and their skincare line. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.